Guys, look, there are orange trees with oranges in a place as famous as this one. I might like it a tiny bit more right now. Whether it's worth coming here all year round or not. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Desenzano del Garda on beautiful Lake Garda. As you probably know, I'm a huge fan of Lake Garda during summer, for summer holidays. However, there are obvious downsides for spending your summer holiday in a place as famous as this one, because there are lots of tourists during summer. And if you've seen my other videos from Lake Garda, you probably know about that. If you haven't seen them, I will leave you all the links up here and in the description box. Today, however, I've decided to rediscover Lake Garda and to re-explore it once again in winter to see whether it's worth coming here all year round or not, and maybe to, enjoy the city without crowds of tourists. So now guys, if you're ready, let's go with me and let's explore the city. How cute is this street? I love it so much. What I really love about these places around Lake Garda is that these are obviously the holiday destinations, but also they have this medieval streets that you can walk and enjoy the real Italy, the taste of real Italy. And I think this is so cool and so beautiful because you can come here all year round and still enjoy the lake and the views. Guys, look, there are orange trees with oranges already. Ah, how fantastic is this? Let's come and have a closer look. Okay guys, this is absolutely amazing. Just have a look. I love it so much. Now, I don't know if this might be clementines and mandarins actually, because they don't really look as huge as oranges, but still, how cool is this? I remember visiting Amalfi Coast a few years ago and being absolutely stunned by the lemon trees. Here in Lake Garda you have oranges, or maybe clementines, I don't know. Also, come have a look here. There are lots of ducks, and I always love this area, this bay area of Desenzano del Garda, because there are always the ducks and all the boats, and it just gives you such a holiday vibe, such a relaxing place. I am not really even sure that I'll be able to film a full-on video today because it's too relaxing to work here. Desenzano is also quite a famous departure point for sailors, so if you are into sailing, if you like the yachts, there are lots of them, and at least during summer you can actually rent a yacht here and go sailing on the Lake Garda, and this lake is absolutely fantastic, and I think sailing on Lake Garda is on top of my bucket list and definitely a dream. Which of these yachts, guys, would you like to sail? Tell me in the comments, because look at them, they're all absolutely beautiful. Guys, look at this view. Now tell me, is this view any worse now in winter than it is during summer? Because I'd say no, absolutely not. Honestly, I love it so much, and I think this view is absolutely amazing. And just think, during winter you can enjoy the lake almost all for yourself without tons of people walking by, and you know, just sit here and relax and enjoy the view, meditate maybe, because this place is absolutely meditative and so calm and so peaceful. I feel like I'm the loudest person here today. And yeah, just look, I think it's so beautiful, even more beautiful in winter in my opinion. I think I might like it a tiny bit more right now. There are clearly some things that you can't do here in Lake Garda in winter, like swimming, unless you're a fan of swimming in freezing cold water. Or, you know, the ferry is not going between the cities during winter. However, still, you can come here just to unwind, unplug, because I think honestly this place calls for unplugging. You have to leave all your devices back home, or at least in your hotel room, and just have a walk here in this promenade and enjoy the nature and be the one with the lake and the water, because water has these purifying qualities, and I think you can physically and mentally feel it here when you are so near and the water is so crystal clear. You become one with the nature. Desenzano has always been a famous holiday destination since Roman times, and I can totally get why. Still today, I can see people relaxing here, enjoying their days, you know, walking their dogs, having a walk with their kids, running, and I think this place is absolutely perfect for holiday. Also, as I said, since Desenzano has been very famous among Romans, ancient Romans, there are still some ancient Roman villas that you can visit, and I think that's pretty cool if you like historical holiday as well, and not only this relaxing lakeside holiday. I think that's a perfect destination for everybody. In my opinion, that's the most beautiful destination in Italy, and yeah, the perfect one. For me, it's the perfect holiday here. Guys, look at this nature here. It's so beautiful. Even though it's absolutely freezing now, which makes sense since it's winter, the nature here is still absolutely insane. I love this place so much for the variety of the nature here, and it doesn't disappoint, even in February. If you want to emotionally reload, I think coming here in winter is the right decision, because imagine these streets being full of people, and yeah, you can still enjoy the lake, but it won't be the same feeling and you won't be able to relax as much. And if you are mentally exhausted, if you are tired and you really want to relax profoundly and, as I said, reload emotionally and mentally, this is the best time to come here. Also, guys, consider that the prices are notably lower here in this period, obviously, as probably anywhere else in these holiday destinations. And budget travelers, I'm appealing to you. If you want to explore Lake Garda without spending too much money, I think this time is absolutely perfect. Now, just try to imagine spending a few days here with a balcony or terrace like this one, or something like this, I think it's absolutely idyllic. Having this balcony overlooking medieval street or overlooking the lake, the bay, having orange trees on your terrace is a literal dream, and this dream would cost you a fortune during summer and it would cost you significantly less right now. So keeping that in mind, think about booking your trip here maybe next weekend. Now guys, it's time for a coffee break and I'm gonna show you a really nice pasticceria that I quite like in Desenzano del Garda. They have amazing desserts and very good coffee, and I'm so excited and I want to share this place with you, so now let's go! Guys, look what we've got. It looks so good and very chic, very good. And I can't wait to try it. This is supposed to be chantilly cream with caramel and it looks so good. Honestly, I'm sad to be ruining it right now, but let's try it. It's absolutely divine. Guys, you have no idea just how good is it. I wish you could all try it. Look what it looks like inside. It's very good. I love it. I'm in love with this dessert. As I said, I really love this pasticceria in Desenzano and I'm absolutely in love with this dessert. It's so tender and so nice. There is mousse, there is chocolate, there's caramel, there is everything. And it's all you can dream of. I love it. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog from Desenzano del Garda, and honestly I hope I managed to convince you that winter is a really great time to come here and enjoy this town and the lake behind my back, because honestly guys, just look at this lake. How fantastic is it? As I said before in this video, Desenzano is really beautiful all year round. There are things to do all year round, and if you want to relax and enjoy your holiday, it's a perfect destination whenever you want to come here. I'm not finishing it here yet because the day is not over and I'm going to another place. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to get the notifications of all the upcoming videos, because another travel vlog from Lake Garda is coming very soon. And as usual guys, please put a thumbs up, comment and share this video with your friends so I can make more videos like this, because I really enjoy making them and I really hope that you love them and you enjoy watching them as much as I enjoy filming them. And it's time to say bye, but not for a very long time. Thank you guys for being here and enjoy your day.